Want to access NFL Plus? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open App Store or Play Store. Then you want to search for NFL app. Now, tap on the install option. Then tap on open once it has been installed on your device. Go ahead and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one. Now tap on the NFL Plus banner to choose your plan. Standard NFL Plus for live local primetime games and audio, or NFL Plus Premium for full condensed replays. You can also subscribe on a web browser. For that, open up any web browser. On the search bar, type nfl.com/plus, then press enter. Once your subscription is active, you can stream directly in the NFL app on your mobile device or tablet, or listen to live game audio on compatible devices. Keep in mind, live games on NFL Plus are only available on mobile devices and tablets. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.